What's going on, guys? Welcome back, and today we're going to do another upgrade on my 2020 Road Glide. And what we're going to upgrade is these stupid lights. Now, these stick out. I want it more flush, so what I went and got were the Custom Dynamics Pro Beam LED turn signals for the Road Glide. We got a little bit of a work to do, so let's get into it. So it's still cold and miserable here in the Northeast, and I can't wait for beautiful weather so I can go ride again. But we're here in the garage. We're going to update these lights. But before I update the lights, in a few weeks I'll be heading over to the Philippines. Yes, I'm going to go visit the motherland, and hopefully get my hand on some bikes, and maybe we could do some reviews. But if you want to follow me on that, always check out my IG. It's Hudson_MotoVisuals. Check me out there, and you could follow along what I'm doing out there. But let's take this fairing off because we need access to the lights. So I took the fairing off. Now I have to carefully disassemble all this here, and then pull these wirings out, and then run the wires back. So let's do that. So since I'm working upside down on the other side, I have this little gasket that's going to go against the outside. And then this piece right here, this is what bolts the fairing to the bike. And there's a bolt here that secures it. So we're going to use that. Unwire this. Then what we're going to do is kind of wire it through first. So wire the whole thing through. All right, so here's the part right here. It's got this little flimsy gasket on here. Got to make sure this gasket basically sits correctly because you don't want water to get in there. Hopefully this is built well, so if it does get water, it should hold up. But we'll try to make sure it's on the correct way. What we're going to do is we're going to pull this through here. We're going to take our plastic piece that holds this here. We're going to, which way does it go? Just like this, put it through the square. So this has grooves, so this has to line up with the grooves, so you can't mess it up, but I probably will. There we go. And then with the supplied bolt here, we're going to put it on. We're not going to put it too tight, we just have to align it, and then I could fix the gasket that's on here. The gasket looks good. Now, just kind of rewire the wires here. This should have a little bit of a slack, and we're going to zip tie it like that. Zipped. We're going to need the stickies. Yeah. Okay, we'll cut the excess. All right, so that side is done. Now we got to do the opposite side. All right, so I put the fairing on. I didn't put all the bolts in yet, just the ones that are in the speakers here, just to hold it in place. So we're gonna test this out and see what they look like. So they gave me these little power inverters that connect between your harness and the actual light. So we're gonna use that. Maybe we get some more juice out of it, or it's a high output LED, so maybe that's why you need this. They also give electrical grease. All right, moment of truth. On the camera, you can't even see them. They look nice and flush. It really looks nice. But let me turn it on, and then we'll show you. Look at that, nice and flush. Still have to put the screw in on there, but look how bright they are. I like the look of it. You can't even tell you have side marker lights. Let's turn on the hazards. Ooh. Those are the hazards. That looks bright, bright, bright. That looks nice. And like I said, I like the look of it. When you're looking on it straight on, you don't have those goofy lights hanging out. So yeah, that looks real nice. Ooh, there you have it. Look at that. Let's finish up and button this up, and I'll show you what it looks like all put back together. All right, she's all buttoned up, just like you see. Everything's back on. Let's turn it back on. Check them out, man. They really look nice. Look at that. Ooh, that's bright too. Just staring at that. Ooh. And it looks flush. It looks clean. The bike doesn't look clean, but this looks clean, real nice. Check out the other side. Yeah, man. Let's throw the hazards on real quick. Boom. There it is. So there you have it, guys. All right, there you have it, guys. Quick install of the Custom Dynamics Pro Beam signals for the Road Glide. It looks sleek. No goofy ears sticking out. Looks nice. But anyway, if you like today's video, guys, please hit that like button. Also, if you do like this video, please consider subscribing. And if you want to see more installs, check out this video right here. It shows you all the things I've done to this bike. And if not, just click subscribe right here on this beautiful face. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.